Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. Montero Lamar Hill, commonly known as Lil Nas X, was born on April 9, 1999, in Lithia Springs, Georgia, United States of America. He is a human with many hats, not only as a Grammy Award-winning American singer but also a rapper and songwriter who rose to fame after his song Old Town Road went viral in 2019, where it spent a whopping 19 weeks on US Billboard's Hot 100. However, he is the first gay artist to have #1 record on Billboard Hot 100. He has signed a contract of collaboration with Eminem's Tease Pride Month. Despite his unique rapping skills, he owns a house in Sherman Oaks, California, which is worth $2.35 million. The house features 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, is worth the penny. The interior design of the living room, master bedroom with well-ventilated windows offers a jaw-dropping experience to relax and enjoy soft life at its core. The backyard features a private balcony which gives a serene environment with panoramic views of the leafy suburbs. The homestead is such an extraordinary place to enjoy his hard-earned cash away from the bussles and hussles of the city. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!